You say hi? Oh, you showing off your wings? What number is this?
8.
What color? What color is this?
8.
What color is it?
Green.
Green? Very good.
Green.
What number is this?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What number is this, Sissy?
5.
5. And what color?
Blue.
Blue. What number?
Yeah.
Yellow. What number?
I.
It's a 1. It looks like an I, but it's a 1. Good girl. It's a 1. What number is this?
M.
It's not a letter M. That's a letter M. What number?
Purple.
It's purple. What number is this?
That one.
It's a 3.
Oh.
What number is this?
C.
This is a 3. What number is this?
C.
This is 9. What color?
9.
9. What color?
Red.
Red. Very good.
It's red.
What number is this?
2.
Number 2. What color?
Green.
Green. What's this?
Oh.
Oh, and what color?
Green.
This is red, you silly girl. Where'd my other numbers go? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Real.
What number is this?
5.
No, that's a 7. What color?
5.
What color?
Green.
Oh, we got a fly, butterfly. All right, what number? I dropped one. Hold on.
I see 4.
Yeah, you see this number? What number is this?
4.
What color is that?
A 4.
Yeah, what color?
4.
What color is it?
5.
It's orange, you silly girl. All right, one more.
L.
Yeah, which one's missing?
Pieces.
One piece. What's missing?
L.
What number?
6.
It's a 6. What color is that?
Purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Yay, good girl. Let me find you a song to sing.
I'm going to piece in that piece.
Come here, sister. Do you know this song? I want you to come here and dance. Do you know this song? Do you know this song? You want to do that one too? Okay, hold on.
A car.
You got a car? Do you know what number's on that car?
8.
Let me see if you're right. You're right. Good girl. Here comes your favorite part. Do you know this song?
A car. Car.
Do you know this song? Because it's a beautiful night. You trying to fly away?
Car. No, boy.
What number?
4.
Number 4? You're right. Nope. There you go. What number is that? Do you love this song? You can sing it. I know you know it. You got Maggie? All right, I'm turning it on.